Hi there, students. Titfer. A titfer. This is a word meaning a hat. But notice this is Cockney rhyming slang, so this is very, very informal. Yeah, this is London slang. So that's a nice titfer you're wearing. He pulled the titfer down over his eyes. I think even this word needs to go with an accent. That's a good titfer you're wearing, mate. Yeah, that's a really good titfer you got on. Okay, so Cockney rhyming slang. This comes from the phrase tit for tat. And very rhyming slang uses a word or a phrase that rhymes with something else. And therefore tit for tat rhymes with hat, and therefore this word titfer. Yeah, all the businessmen going into work with a titfer on their head. Okay, let's see, this is a word, it's very, very informal. I think I'd probably give it something like a 3 informality. This is something that you could only use when in an informal conversation in a pub in London, yeah, or the London area. I think that it's probably better for you to just know it, but not something probably you might want to use. You should have seen all the ladies with their expensive titfers at Ascot this year. Yeah, you should have seen all the expensive ladies with their titfers this year at Ascot. Okay, let's see, when I hear this word titfer, I hear this accent going with it as well. Okay, so as I said, a titfer, a hat, so the meaning is easy. And then, as I said, it rhymes with this phrase tit for tat. Tit for tat is talking about retaliation. I hit you, you hit me. That's tit for tat. You steal my bicycle, I'll steal your bicycle. That's tit for tat. So doing something bad to someone else that's exactly the same as the thing that they did to you. Okay, I'm thinking of the chimney sweep in Mary Poppins. Titfer would be perfect for that. That's Dick Van Dyke, isn't it? Okay, so a titfer. Where'd you get that titfer? I got my titfer down the market. Okay, so I'm sorry about the pronunciation, but this is a real British slang London accent, and you will hear this on the street, but probably nowhere else. Okay, so a titfer, a hat. Let's see, as to the origin, well, this started to be used about 1900 with the phrase tit for tat hat, and then a tit for tat, and that itself got modified into the phrase a titfer. So, where'd you get that titfer? It looks awful on you. Yeah? Maybe you should use a titfer to hide that awful haircut. Okay, so I hope you're able to understand my examples. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A titfer, from tit for tat, a hat. Bye.